Is iSlide the perfect partner for Microsoft PowerPoint? Let's find out. Welcome back. This video will be a review of the Microsoft PowerPoint add-in iSlide. iSlide is a free tool with an optional premium version that gives you access to more features. It's designed to provide you with more tools, diagrams and icons to help make your PowerPoints more visual and effective. As well as this, it will save you time as you won't have to create these yourself. iSlide currently costs either $4.95 a month or $29.95 for the full year. This is very reasonable if you can see yourself using some of the premium features. iSlide boasts well over 1,000 separate themes to choose from, over 150,000 icons and almost 8,000 diagrams. It all sounds very impressive, and it is. I can certainly see how this would save me time. My first impression of iSlide was that it was much simpler to use than I was expecting. The install process was quick, and it just adds another tab to PowerPoint, with no annoying pop-ups or unwanted features. Within the iSlide tab you can easily see all the features and tools it provides, and they are easy to understand. You can change the standard specifications to create custom default formatting for paragraphs, colours and more. You then have the resource section, which is probably the reason you will download iSlide. It includes all the images, themes, diagrams and icons that I mentioned earlier. The themes are a great way to start your PowerPoint. There seems to be plenty to choose from with all kinds of styles available, whatever your objective is. The search function makes it easy to get your perfect theme, or any of the resources for that matter. In terms of free themes, the number available decreases to 104, which is still good but obviously limits the variety slightly. You can choose either a 16:9 resolution or 4:3 resolution depending on your preference. After choosing a theme or layout, you can choose a colour scheme for your entire presentation. Clicking the colour library tool will bring up all the colour options, and from there you can apply the one you like to all the sides of your chosen theme. The problem with some software like this is that you will always feel as if someone has used this exact design before. The chances of that having happened here, even at this early stage, are over 2.2 million to 1. Another plus for iSlide. Now that you have your theme and colours, you can add your own information. This is just as it would be for standard PowerPoint, as that's all it is. Don't forget you can leave the iSlide tab at any point to revert to the standard editing features that you may be more used to. You'll probably want to return though to use some of the diagrams and icons that can really take your presentation to the next level. There's over 1,000 free diagrams to choose from. They act as a template and a great starting point for all kinds of information you wish to display. If you struggle to find creative ways to visualize your text, these templates will save you time, and they do look professional. You can easily change and edit the individual elements of the diagrams, just as you would with the standard shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. With just over 167,000 icons and with the effective search function, you will always be able to find simple images to partner any text you include. This can transform presentations from plain and simple to lively and compelling. Icons can be changed to any colour, but they will be defaulted to the set you chose in your overall colour scheme. iSlide includes loads of other cool features, for example an option to export your PowerPoint in many different forms, from a video to just multiple images. It's easy to use and stays very hidden and doesn't affect your traditional PowerPoint experience, if that's what you want some of the time. All its diagrams and icons provide you with various ways to enhance your PowerPoint presentation. If you create PowerPoints often, especially if they are business related, then I would recommend iSlide. Feel free to check out iSlide yourself, the link will be in the description, and as always, thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.